Hey guys, so just walking around and I was like, I'm gonna do a bike check. So today I have my bike. It's a freaking look at it. Fit is the pledge. Fit the pledge. Look at it. My little sprockets will fit. My freaking chain says KMC, so I think that's the type of chain it is. Look at these cranks, freaking Horn 70 cranks. I think that's the size. I don't even know. Fit frame is a fit frame. My bars up there are fit. Look, fit stem, fit gum colored grips, fit brake. Forks are fit. Everything is fit except for, here's the best part. My pedals, they're Merit. See? Freaking Merit, bruh. And my tires, they're Merit slide the wall. Would you look at that? Both tires are Merit slide the wall. Both of these. Both these are slide the wall. Look at that. I don't know what DLC is. Hub. I'll let you guys listen to that in a sec. My seat, a rock solid seat, bud. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, I'm take it out for you guys so you can hear the hub. Sounds a little greased up, but here we go. So that's the hub, and that's it for today, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. It's almost winter, so I'll be going sledding soon, snowmobiling, toboggan sliding down mountains. So yeah, stay tuned for that stuff. And subscribe, like, peace.